have a beer in a Dutch festival. Oh, I'm losing it. Hi guys, my name is Sel. I make videos whenever I feel like it, and today I got my auntie sunglasses. You know the look, you know the vibe. So you know what that means. We're taking it old school and we're giving you some tips, some informational bits for you to chew on, alright? Look at that. So I am super excited for today's video because I am going to be joined by Jessica from Harpy Jessy, who is a fellow YouTuber who makes wonderful university content, and I'm just gonna let her introduce herself to you. But before we get into that, I'm going to briefly talk about what we're going to talk about today. Whoop, meta talk about. Today we're going to be discussing a potentially controversial video, as we always are in this channel, which is how to get Dutch people to like you. Cool. I'm gonna bring you over to Jessica.
Hello everyone, thank you Selena for accepting this collaboration. I'm really grateful. My name is Jessica Okolie and I am a study abroad YouTuber. I make videos about studying and living in the Netherlands as an international student. So if you're interested in this kind of content, please go check my channel out. The name of my channel is Harpy Jessy, HARPY JESSY on YouTube. That is after you watch this video, so make sure you watch this video to the end. So today we're going to be talking about how to get Dutch people to like you. I know this might sound so unconventional, like why are you trying to get people to like you? But whether you like it or not, if you're an international student or an expat in general, you are not in your home country, you are in another person's country, and you have to try to integrate with them, you know, make connections, make friends. That's the only way you can survive. No man is an island, so you want to be able to know people and make connections and network with people. So that is what this video is going to help you with. So stay tuned. So the first and most important way of getting Dutch people to like you is coming way before the time. Like if you're supposed to have an appointment by 8:30, you should be there by 8 o'clock. Nothing less than 8 o'clock. You can even come earlier than 8 o'clock, better for you, because whether you like it or not, they are going to surprise you. The thing is, when you get there, they are already there before the time. Even if you come 1 hour earlier, you will still meet them there. That is how Dutch people are so early to their appointments. So if you want to be friends with them, or if you want to have longer connections, a great network with them, you have to be able to come early. Come as early as possible.
Number 2 is to talk about the weather. So Dutch people love small talk and hate it simultaneously. It's quite awkward. You never really know if you're supposed to make eye contact or not. At least I don't. But a safe bet is to always talk about the weather. Whether it's nice weather today, they love to say that, or if it's a little cold, or if you hate the rain. Oh god, I hate when this happens. Another famous one is also talking about how, oh my god, the Dutch weather just doesn't know what it wants. It was so sunny today and now it's raining and it's gloomy. Talk about the fact that you're gonna get on the bike and you're gonna have to cycle through the cold later. They love that stuff.
The next one is to ensure that you learn basic Dutch words like hallo, hi, ik ben Jessica. Ik ben is I am, hallo is hi, hoe gaat het met jou? Hoe is it met jou? How are you? So those basic things are a conversation starter. Like when you say it, it would be obvious that you're not Dutch, but then the effort you're making is like you're trying, so they see the effort and they like it when you're trying to integrate and, you know, be part of them, be part of their language. So if you speak those things, they would understand you and they would ask you, oh, you're not Dutch, where are you from? And so on. And that's how your conversation begins, and that's how you start making friends and make connections and just expand your network. Is really important. So just learn basic Dutch words and you're on your way to making a Dutch friend.
Number 4 is to try out Dutch food, aka pretending to like eating French fries every day. The Dutch love their patat, right? They got patat zonder, patat met, patat speciaal, patatje oorlog. Problematic. But they love their potatoes, they got their stamppot, they love their kroketten, they like their bitterballen, anything fried, meaty, and potato-y. try it out, especially if you're trying it out in front of them, or you're talking about how, you know, oh, I tried it recently, I loved it. They love to hear about it. They love to hear about your experience trying out their fried culture.
The next one is to dress downward. Dutch people are not really flamboyant. They are not the people to be wearing designers. They're like simple people, and this is because of the bicycle culture. Dutch people ride bicycles more than they ride cars. Like every Dutch person owns a bicycle, and when you're riding a bicycle, you don't look posh. Let's be honest, bicycles don't make you look posh at all. So there is absolutely no reason to wear your Louboutin heels when you're riding a bicycle. Like, what's the connection? A Louboutin heel or an LV bag and a bicycle? So you get it. So try to dress downward. They like the humble look. You look more approachable. It doesn't mean you should wear a rags. Just look clean, look decent, as simple as you can be, and yeah, you're on your way to make a Dutch friend.
Number 6 is to show up to Dutch festivities, and by that I mean to get drunk on King's Day and pretend that you enjoy the very, very intense music that they play. Another option is to get drunk on Carnival. They love that. In Nijmegen we have the Vierdagse Feest. Get drunk there. The Dutch love it if you're the type to grab a beer at some sort of Dutch celebration. I would also say that one random really hot day in the middle of February, when it suddenly gets 23 degrees out of nowhere just for like 2 days out of that whole winter period, they also love it if you're gonna go out and grab a beer and go to the beach with them. That's also another Dutch festivity.
The last one I'm going to tell you is very, very controversial. Like, your desperation needs to be at its peak. Your desperation of having a Dutch friend, like you really need a Dutch friend so bad. That is the only way you should do this point I'm going to tell you now, and that is to not bring up the Zwarte Piet tradition. If you want to know about the Zwarte Piet tradition, Selena or me will talk about it. Say it in the comment section below if you want us to talk about Zwarte Piet and what we think about it. But for this video, just ensure that you don't bring up Zwarte Piet. If you are so desperate to make a Dutch friend, or if you really want a Dutch friend, make sure you don't bring it up. Make sure you don't talk about it. Just always brush it out and you're good to go. You're going to make a Dutch friend.
Number 8 is where going Dutch comes from. Splitting the bill, right? Dutch people have a very individualistic culture in that everybody takes care of themselves. So where I come from an Asian culture, everybody sort of takes turns paying for other people, you know, especially if you're best friends or if you're family, you take care of each other. In the Netherlands, always split the bill. I've been on an occasion where I would like cover other people's bills, or, you know, just like help somebody out and buy them a snack in the middle of class or something, and it gets pretty intense. They remember the like €4.25 they owed you a month ago, and they will pay it back. So if you split the bill, then they're gonna feel very comfortable and very safe. And finally, the Dutch are gonna love you if you do normaal. Just be casual, just be normal, just be average. The Dutch love to average things out. They have average grades, average clothes, average homes, average lifestyles. Everything is in very, very scarce moderation. If you go anywhere in the Netherlands, you're gonna find that a lot of people wear sort of the same clothes. Everybody's got the same kind of hairstyle, the same makeup look. In the Netherlands, people love to conform, right? So if you conform, aka do normaal, according to what their normaal is, then they will love you. This comes from the saying, wait, let me grab my book. Doe normaal, omdat normaal zijn is gek genoeg. And that means be normal, because being normal is crazy enough. So I think that tells you everything you need to know about Dutch culture and how to infiltrate to make them like you. And with that, that is all we have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, we have the second version of this video, which is how to get Dutch people not to like you, on Harpy Jessy, aka Jessica's channel. So please check it out. She's wonderful, and of course, thank you so much to Jessica for wanting to collaborate with me, especially during these hard times where we can't even film in the same place. This was so much fun, and I hope to collaborate some more with you, and with other YouTubers, of course. So I'm gonna close it off. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!